Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am starting 6th class Mathematics, exercise number 1.3. Let's see the exercise 1.3. Here question number 1 is write the numbers using commas according to the place value. Yeah. Okay, here write the numbers using commas. Commas means we have to put the commas according to the place value. Students, the question is 11245670. Okay, now put commas first. One beside, next take two digits, next two digits, beside put commas. Here you can read ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 1 crore, 12 lakhs, 45,670 students. Okay, this is the putting comma students. Now similarly second one is 22402151. Same here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 2 crores, 24 lakhs, 21,000, 2,150. Okay, right. Next third one is 30608712. Same. Get ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 3 crores, 6 lakhs, 8,712 students. Similarly, fourth one 19030820. Same. Okay. Fourth one also similar to first, second, third one. Let's see the question number 2, students. Yeah, okay, students. Here question number 2 is write the numbers in words. Okay. The numbers are given. These numbers we have to write in terms of words. Okay. The first one is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Yeah, 34,025. These problems are the students. In terms of numbers are given. We have to convert into in terms of we have to write in terms of words, students. Okay. Here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 7 lakh, 7 lakh 9,115. 9,115. Okay, students. The similarly third one is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores, 47 crore, 47 crore, 47 crore, 60 lakh, 60 lakh students, 60 lakh. Here 317. 317. Okay, students. Next, fifth one is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 6 crore, 6 crore, 18 lakh, 18 lakh, 7,000. Okay, this is a way of writing, way of converting in terms of numbers to in terms of words, students. Let's see the question number 3. Okay, students. Here question number 3 is write the numbers in figures. Here in terms of what's given, we have to convert it in terms of numbers, students. Simple. Here first one is 4,57,400. Write in convert it in terms of numbers. 4,57,400, students. Second one is 60,02,775. 60 lakhs 2,775, students. And next third one is 2 crore 50 lakh 40,303. Right, 2 lakhs 50 lakhs 40,303, students. Next, similarly fourth one is 60 crore 60 lakh 60,600. Here 60 lakh 60,000 So 60 crore, 60 lakh, 60,000, 600 students. This is a way of converting in terms of numbers to, sorry, in terms of words to, in terms of numbers. Okay, right. Let's see the question number 4. Okay, students, here question number 4 is write the numbers in expanded form. We have to convert the numbers into expanded form. Your first number is 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 6 lakhs, 40,000, 156 students. Before auto put zeros, auto expand the numbers, very simple. First write 6 students here. How many zeros I should add here? Okay, one logic is there, simple students. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. 6 after 5 numbers are there. Put 5 zeros. Now coming to 4. Here 4 right first. 4 after how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros add. Next 0. Leave about 0. Next 1. 1 after how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. 100. Next 50. 1 0. Next 6. Simple. Similarly, one more example I am giving students. Here 6. First write 6. Here 6 after how many numbers are there? Once see the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add 6 zeros. Plus. Next number 3 write as it is. 3 after how many numbers are there? One see the word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. Plus 2 after how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 500. Leave out zeros. Next. Similarly, here students 1 after how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. Next to 2 write as it is. 2 after how many zeros are there? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next to 3. 3 after how many zeros are there? 1, 2. How many numbers are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Next is leave about 0. Next to 2. 2 after how many zeros are there, students? How many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. Write 2 zeros. Yes, 7 after 1 number there. Add 1 0. 70. For last number is 5 right as it is. Next. Here first is write 7 students. 7 after how many numbers are there? Once check it properly. Count properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add 7 zeros. Place 5 right as it is. 5 after how many numbers are there? See the board ones. I am counting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add 7 zeros. Next 8 right, 8 right as it is. 8 after how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 zeros. Next 0 leave about 0. Next 1 after how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 zeros. Next 2. 2 after 2 zeros are there. Write 2 zeros. Next is leave about 0. Next 2 write as it is. This is a way of converting, a way of expanding from students. Very simple. Next, let's see the question number 5. Okay. Okay, students, here question number 5 is write the numbers in standard form or short form. Both are same. Yeah, we have to convert the standard. We have to convert the numbers into standard form. Expanded in terms of expanded forms are there. We have to convert into standard form. Here, simple students. Here 5. How many zeros are there? First 5 right. Okay. Next, here 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. This is 5 lakhs, 40,000, 20,000. This is 40,000, 28,524 students. This is a way of writing simple. Exactly vice versa to previous problem, students. Next here 6 lakhs 43 6 crores 43 lakhs 20,000 501. Next this one is 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore. 3 crores, 3 lakhs, 7,801 students. This is 7 crores, 70 lakhs, 7,070 students. Okay, this is a way of writing converting expanded form to short form. Okay, right. Let's see the question number 6. Yeah, okay, students, here question number 6 is which is the largest between each of these two. Okay, use greater than less than symbols. In previous classes you studied well how to put less than and greater than symbols, how to represent the less than and greater than symbols. By saying numbers you can put symbols easily. Here also same. First number is first check this number is which number. Okay, 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 4 lakh 67,612 or 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, 18 lakhs, 71,964. This is 4 lakhs students, this is 18 lakhs. Obviously 18 lakhs is bigger number. Right, first 18 lakhs, 71,964 greater than. And this putting symbol is this big space indicates a bigger number students. This small indicates a smaller number. Yeah, obviously bigger number is 18 lakhs, so put 18 lakhs greater than and 4,67,612. Okay, na? Similarly, second problem, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. Here 14 crores, 35 lakhs, now 10,300 students. Here also same 14, 14, same 14 crores, 25 lakhs, 10,300. Here 14, 14, same students, don't confuse here. Here 35, here 25, here 10, 10, 300, both are number. Yeah, remaining all numbers same, here, except here 35, 25. Obviously 35 is a bigger number. This is 14 crores, 35 lakhs, 10,000 to 300. That is 14 crores, 25 lakhs, 10,300. Obviously 14 crores, 35 lakhs, 10,300 is bigger compared to 14 lakhs, 25, 14 crores, 25 lakhs, 10,300. Okay, na? Yeah, this is a way of putting which number is a bigger number, which number is smaller. We can represent by using less than and greater than symbol. Okay, na? With help of less than and greater than symbols, we can um, identify easily which number is bigger number, which number is greater, smaller number. Okay, na? Yeah, let's see the question number 7, students. Simple students, question number 7 is which is smaller between which of these? Use less than and greater than symbols. Here first one is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Here 2 lakhs, 15 students. Here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and 99,999. Simple students, first 99,999 is smaller value. This is bigger value. Put this symbol. This small dot indicates smaller value. This big space indicates a bigger value, students. Okay, you can identify them easily by using these symbols. Which number is smaller, which number is greater. Okay. Now this is the ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, 13 lakhs, 50,000, 0, 50 students, or 13 lakhs, 49,700. Obviously this is smaller number, this is bigger number. Why? Because 50,000 students, this is 49,000. Now this big space indicates bigger value. Put this symbol, this is less than greater than symbol. 13 lakhs, 49,785 is smaller value. This is 13 lakhs, 50,000, 50 is a bigger value. You can represent easily, students, by using the symbols less than and greater than symbols. By using the symbols, we can identify easily which number is smaller the value, which number is greater value. Okay. Yeah. Question number 8 is try yourself, student. That is write any numbers with the digit 5 in crore place, in 2 lakhs place, and 1 in thousands place, and 6 in tens place, and 3 in ones place. Okay, keep any digit in the remaining places. Okay, you can write with your own, student. That is students part. Okay, that's all for students. That's all for today's class, students. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share to your friends. Thank you so much, me Vamshi Kumar. Okay, remaining problems we will meet in next class with another problem, friends. Thank you so much.